Greetings, food surfers. I'm Eric Surf 6. Welcome to Eric Mealtime. And in this one, we're doing the Eastern European country of Moldova. Let's check it out. We're going to start off with some wine from Moldova, and this is the Codru 2018. Oh, it smells terrific. Cheers to you. Team gets on. That is some nice wine. It's dry, a bit fruity, good. This is the otoshi, or table charge, right here. And since we're in Japan, we're using chopsticks. So on this side, we've got some himeji mushrooms. Go right in for those. Whoa, we're cooked in garlic. Nice. And this looks like a corn and carrot salad. That is tasty. My compliments to the chef. The owner's Japanese, so we're gonna have some fusion style food here. I know why this is so good, because this is not carrot, this is crab. It's crab meat. Yeah, crab meat and corn and mayonnaise. That's why it's so good. I got fooled by the color. This is the Moldova salad. It's got tomatoes and cucumber. This is dill on the top here. Going in. It's a good salad, simple. The dressing's fairly light. I've had this before somewhere. One of the Eastern European countries that I've done before. Look at this gorgeous salmon we have here. Oh yeah, marinated salmon. And these two pieces have olives. Olives? Pickles? Not sure. We'll let you know. Comes with these cute little dishes. Oh, it's wrapped around there. That's a big piece of salmon right there. Okay, 2 bites. Kind of salty, smoked salmon, I guess. It's pretty mellow. Not sure what it's marinated in. Mostly salt. Nice olive. This next dish is called shuba, and it's got, looks like a birthday cake almost, doesn't it? It's gorgeous, but it's a salad. That's beets on top. And then it looks like it's kind of layered here. So it's got herring there, some fish, and I'm not sure what that is on the bottom. That's what it looks like. That's the fish on the bottom, perhaps. Going in. I'm tasting mostly beets. Yeah, it's a lot of beets on the top there. It's got potatoes. Those are like scalloped potatoes. Now I taste the fish. Yeah, the herring's in the middle. Kind of resembles a potato salad, though. A very unique potato salad. This dish is called Koltsnash, which are dumplings. It's either going to be potato or cheese, I'm not sure, or mixed. And then I guess you get some of this sauce with it. And then again, the dill on top. I'm kind of hoping for cheese, because that last dish was potatoes. I'm tasting pickles and dill. Dill pickles. Huh. Let's go in for another one. This is sour cream, I believe. Looks like sour cream. Tastes like sour cream. I'm gonna say cheese. Very interesting dumplings. Very soft, but hearty. Yeah. It'll be like a cottage cheese inside. It's mellow. Yeah. Oh. And there's pepper as well too, grated pepper. Yeah. It's a nice dish. They're competing with Chinese dumplings. Oh, yes, they are. This next dish is called saramare, and it's, can you guess what these are? These are wine leaves. Grape leaves, not wine leaves. Wine leaves. Wine leaves. Somebody's been drinking. That's right. Grape leaves. And inside, pork, rice, and some vegetables. Looks amazing, smells amazing. And it's in a tomato sauce. Oh, wish you guys could smell this. I say that often in my videos, but I really mean it. I'm gonna go for this one that's got all the sauce on it. Kind of looks like sushi. Oh, once you chew through the leaf, that's pretty darn good. It takes a little while to soften though, once you put it in your mouth. That's exotic, the texture of that grape leaf, goodness. And this sauce, I'm really digging this sauce right here. And that too. It's bursting with flavor, for sure. See if we can dissect it a little bit. I'd like to show you the inside before I smashed it all up. So there's the filling right there. That's what you get. So actually, it's not too much rice. I was thinking it was going to be more rice, but yeah, it's perfect. Good combination of meat, rice, and vegetables together. But the main ingredient, the grape leaf. The leaf's got, there's a little bit of a bitterness to it, I have to say. But when combined with the filling, scrumptious. This dish is called shashlik. Gorgeous looking Moldova style yakitori, huh? Huge pieces of chicken, grilled chicken, and tomato. And it comes with what looks like a sweet sauce. So that's huge right there. I'm gonna go for this one. Nice char on the chicken. Yeah, I like that. Go for just a little dip here of the sauce. Are we going in? We're going in. Pleasant. It's got a smokiness to it, nice smokiness. Kind of a bit of a Middle Eastern style. Without all the herbs and spices though, it's mellow, but pretty tasty. A Thai sauce, very sweet, like what you dip egg rolls in. It's good. I think it's chicken breast. But yeah, nice smokiness to it. Not a whole lot of flavor, but yeah, the sauce just does it right. This is a pork and mamarina dish, which is cornbread. Looks fabulous. Home cooking right here. Let's try the cornbread by itself. I haven't had this in ages. It's very moist because it's in this soup. It's in a soup. Or a stew. It's almost a stew, huh? And it looks like we've got some sauerkraut on top of the pork. Okay, let's mix this up here. Yeah, that's the way it's supposed to be eaten. Nice garnish here, some dill pickle. Okay, let's try the pork. Oh yeah, the pork goes really nice with the soup. It's definitely a home cooking sort of feel and taste. Yeah. Oh, it's tasty. Introducing pucinte and zama. So the zama is a chicken noodle soup, and the pucinte is a cabbage pancake, I want to say. We had the choice of cheese, potato, or cabbage, and decided to go with cabbage since we've already had some cheese today. So let's get into the soup first. Chicken noodle, huh? Looks like it. Yeah, okay, I see some noodles. Chicken noodle vegetable. Is it going to be too hot? Oh, look at that. Ooh, it's got a tanginess to it. Oh, this is hearty. Oh yeah, I like all the vegetables in here. It's got a bit of a sourness to it, and a tomato base. It's nice. Let's try this. Let's eat it like pizza, shall we? It's pretty heavy. A lot of weight to it. Going in. It's very doughy, but there's a nice crispy flakiness on the outside here. Cabbage is delicious, nicely marinated. It's almost got the texture of a cookie. You bite into it and it crumbles. That's good. I'll tell you what I'm going to do though. I'm going to put some of the sour cream on this. That's what I'd like to do. Let's do that. And it takes it up a notch. I'm going to dip it in. See what that does. I mean, the dishes came together, so adds a bit of flavor. That tomato base of the soup. Lovely. Dessert has arrived, and we've got some tea, the local tea. Let's give this a try first. Kind of like a cider almost. Apple cider. It's nice. A tea cider. And these right here are called orishki, and that's all I know. It's like some powdered sugar on top. One bite? Let's do two. Nuts and nougat and a cookie outside. Served warm. Goes really well with this. Yeah, I'm going to call this a cider tea. Very pleasant. And then over here, we've got a homemade cheesecake with raspberry sauce. This looks fantastic. Oh boy, it's so moist. Seems like it's gonna be really rich. Is it? It's really got a home cooking sort of flavor to it. It's that same cheese that was in the dumplings. This is fabulous. Yet not too sweet. It's just right. Yep. It's got kind of a pancake feeling to it. And that raspberry sauce is really nice. This is amazing. Oh. This is the local newspaper in Moldova, and this is the chef right here. There it is. It's a tiny little landlocked country. This is a famous comedian in Japan. His name is Tamori, television star. I was on his show once a long time ago, doing my juggling act. So this is the master, the chef, and a famous person in Japan. So they do various events and promotions. And this is a very famous wine cellar in Moldova. It's one of the largest wine cellars in Europe, I think. It's like 200 kilometers long. So now it is time to rate this meal. Moldova, Eastern European country, one of the former Soviet republics. I gotta go big on this one. It's a tiny little country, but the rating's big. 6 out of 6. Yeah, everything was just fabulous. It really feels at home here. It's a nice restaurant. The master's really friendly, and the chef is from Moldova. So yeah, very nice. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give the video a thumbs up if you did. And I'm doing a giveaway since it was a perfect 6 out of 6. If you'd like to enter for your chance to win one of my Get Some snack packs, just put a comment down below and I will announce 3 winners in the very next video. There's also a link down there to people that have won them in the past that do unboxing videos, so you can check it out and see what's inside. But basically it's a bunch of goodies that I assemble from Japan and send to you as my thanks for watching my videos. So peace out, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.